Have you ever wondered if the machines we interact with daily are smarter than we think? Do they learn from their experiences? Every day, we're interacting with artificial intelligence and machine learning, often without even realizing it. From the smartphone in your pocket that recognizes your face, to online shopping platforms that suggest products based on your preferences, AI and ML are subtly woven into the fabric of our lives. But how smart are these systems? Can your smartphone's virtual assistant understand your emotions? Can a shopping algorithm predict your needs before you even know them yourself? And what about self-driving cars? Can they make ethical decisions in a split second, just like a human driver would? These are questions that provoke thought, that challenge our understanding of machine intelligence. They invite us to explore the capabilities, the intricacies, and the limitations of AI and ML. In this video, you will discover the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, may sound complex, but its concept is quite straightforward. Picture a machine that's capable of mimicking the human intellect. That's the essence of AI. It's not about building robots that overthrow humanity. Rather, it's about creating intelligent systems that can perform tasks without constant human intervention. Let's break it down a bit more. You see, the human brain is a wonderful organ, capable of learning, problem-solving, and understanding complex patterns. Now imagine a machine that can do all those. That's the magic of AI. AI comes in various forms, each with its own unique capabilities. One of these is natural language processing, or NLP. Ever asked Siri a question, or used Google Translate? That's NLP at work. It's AI's ability to understand and generate human language, making our interactions with machines a lot more natural. Next, we have computer vision. This is AI's ability to see and interpret visual data, just like the human eye. So when your phone camera recognizes your face to unlock, or when a self-driving car navigates through traffic, that's computer vision doing its job. Then there's robotics, where AI meets the physical world. Robotics involves creating machines that can interact with their environment and carry out complex tasks. Think about robotic arms in manufacturing plants, or drones delivering packages. But it's not just about mimicking human intelligence. AI is also about learning from experience. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves algorithms that can learn and improve from data. This means the more data an AI system has, the better it can perform its tasks. So, in essence, AI is all about creating smart machines that can think and learn like us. It's about enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. And as we continue to advance in technology, who knows what incredible feats AI will achieve next? But one thing is certain, AI is here to stay, and it's transforming the way we live and work. But how do these machines learn? This is where machine learning, or ML, comes into play. Delving into the realm of machine learning, we first need to understand that it's a subset of artificial intelligence. It's the part that focuses on the ability of machines to receive a set of data and learn for themselves. What does this mean? Well, it's not as complex as it might sound. Imagine a child learning to identify different fruits. You show them an apple, tell them it's an apple, and after a few repetitions, they learn to recognize an apple. Machine learning works on a similar principle. The machine is given data, which in our analogy is the apple, and it's told what the data represents. Over time, with more and more data, the machine learns to identify patterns and make predictions. But here's the fascinating part. These machines can change their algorithms as they learn more about the information they are processing. They're not just repeating a pre-programmed response, they're adapting and refining their understanding based on the new data they receive. Just like the child who, after seeing a few different types of apples, understands that despite slight variations in color or size, they're all still apples. So how does this all come together? Well, it's through this process of learning and adaptation that machine learning models become more accurate in their predictions. For example, a spam filter that learns to identify new forms of spam messages over time, or a recommendation system that gets better at suggesting movies the more you use it. And remember, all of this learning and adaptation isn't hard-coded by developers. No, these machines are learning on their own, using the data they're given to improve and refine their algorithms. So, In essence, machine learning is the brain behind artificial intelligence. It enables machines to learn from data, to recognize patterns, to make predictions, and to improve their performance over time. It's what makes AI not just a static piece of technology, but a constantly evolving and improving entity. ML is the brain behind AI, enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Now that we understand AI and ML, you might be wondering, how are they applied in the real world? Let's start with something familiar, something you might have even used today. Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, these are all powered by AI. They use machine learning to understand your commands, learn your preferences, and even predict your needs. It's like having a personal assistant that's always learning, always improving, all thanks to AI and ML. But the applications don't stop at making our lives a touch more convenient. They extend to transforming entire industries. Take the transportation sector, for example. Autonomous vehicles, which are no longer a thing of science fiction, are enabled by AI. These self-driving cars rely on complex machine learning algorithms to navigate roads, obey traffic rules, and avoid obstacles. This isn't just about creating a futuristic mode of transport. It's about making our roads safer and more efficient. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know what you want to watch next? That's AI and ML in action. Recommendation engines use machine learning to analyze your viewing patterns, compare them with those of similar users, and predict what you might enjoy watching next. It's not magic, it's machine learning. But perhaps one of the most impactful applications of AI and ML is in healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images or genetic data at a speed and accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. These tools can detect diseases like cancer at an earlier stage, giving patients a better fighting chance. And these are just the early days. The potential for AI and ML in healthcare is vast and largely untapped. AI and ML are also making strides in sectors like finance, where they're used for credit scoring and fraud detection, and in education, where personalized learning platforms adjust to each student's pace and style of learning. The applications are as varied as they are transformational. But it's important to remember that these technologies are tools, created and controlled by us. They're not infallible, and they're not a replacement for human judgment. They're here to augment our capabilities, to help us make better decisions, and to make the world a more efficient, more personalized, and healthier place. The impact of AI and ML is all around us, sometimes in ways we might not even realize. They're in the voice that wakes you up in the morning, the car that drives you to work, the shows you binge watch at night, and the medical reports your doctor analyzes. They're shaping the world, one algorithm at a time. From personalizing your Netflix recommendations to detecting diseases earlier than humanly possible, AI and ML are truly revolutionizing our world. Let's take a quick recap and look into the future of these fascinating technologies. We embarked on a thought-provoking journey through the realms of artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning, or ML. We delved into the heart of AI, understanding it as a broad field that encompasses everything from simple if-then rules to complex algorithms mimicking human intelligence. Then we unraveled the intricate web of machine learning, a subset of AI, where machines are trained to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Now let's turn our gaze towards the horizon and contemplate what the future might hold for these extraordinary technologies. The potential applications of AI and ML are endless. From self-driving cars and personalized online shopping experiences to early disease detection and climate change modeling, these technologies have the power to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we push the boundaries of what AI and ML can do, we must also grapple with the ethical considerations that arise. For instance, how do we ensure that these technologies are used for the greater good and not for harmful purposes? How do we prevent biases from creeping into AI algorithms, leading to unfair outcomes? And how do we strike the right balance between leveraging AI and ML for efficiency and progress, while also preserving jobs and human dignity? These are complex questions without easy answers. But one thing is certain. As we continue to explore and innovate, we will need to engage in ongoing conversations about the ethical implications of AI and ML. We will need to establish robust guidelines and regulations to ensure that these technologies are developed and used in a way that respects our values and rights. As we step further into the age of AI and ML, one thing is clear. These technologies will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So let's embrace the journey.